On the part 6 of our case study, today we're gonna enable remote desktop application to our Windows server. So this is only if it's applicable, but I think it is applicable. So first we need to go to our Windows 7 and Windows XP and allow connections from computers in any from this version. Then next you need to go to accessories, then open remote desktop connection, then go to active, then press the PC that you want to use, then put it there, and it's gonna connect. Then afterwards, there we go. If we opened it, it's gonna remote access that PC without the background, of course. Then you can use it to connect the PC. Same process to the Windows XP, to be honest. So same process, just press yes, then you can remote access the PC without the background.